the U gesture is this coming together. And it is hope U. That's what Steiner said. But the old eurythmists taught in a way that they did it this way. The U. It's a coming together. And in this turning, there's something special in it. And when you have turned, and you're not just coming with the stream from left and right, but you turn, and then you, we have a different connection. And that's what I want to look at when we do the Hope U in the lesson after the next one, because that's a deep thing, I think. And you will also find people who do the putting hands together and come down very close in front of the body. And I have chosen to do it this way. But it's still in the body. And I don't have to make it maybe here in order to feel it there, but I do it out there and can still experience it's going down inside.